There are a couple things you need to know before you visit the library. It is important to remember to wear a mask at all times on campus. You will not be permitted into the building if you are not wearing a mask. Be sure to place the mask over your nose and under your chin. In accordance with the social distancing guidelines, you must maintain a distance of 8 feet between you and any other patrons while in the library. You may notice on your next visit that the library looks a little different. We have adapted many of our spaces to assist in the maintenance of social distancing. Our study rooms have been closed, we have reduced our seating placements, and we only have one front desk open. We have also placed additional computers along the back wall near the juvenile and young adult books. When using any space or equipment in the library, you must disinfect the area before and after each use. For your convenience, there are hand sanitizer stations located throughout the building. No food will be permitted in the library. Drinks are still allowed as long as you replace your mask after you take a sip. This may seem overwhelming, so to help you adjust to these new rules, there will be signs across the library reminding you of these regulations. Just remember, we are all learning to thrive in this new environment, and together we can make this a great semester.